Hi everyone, in this video we will look at the aggregation function that is available in the SQL. The aggregation functions help us to aggregate the values in a column. Generally we have 5 functions in SQL. The sum function that has help us to find the total values in a column. The min function help us to find minimum value in a column. The max function do the opposite of the minimum, help us to find the maximum value. And the average function help us to calculate the average value. And the last one is count, that will help us to find the total number of rows in a column. We will see all this function in this order details table. First we select everything from order details. We have received the data, that is order details having a order ID, product ID, unit price, quantity and discount. And we will use this function on this unit price column. And suppose we want to find out the total unit price, we will use the sum function. Select. We will use only this column unit price. First we will comment this query sum unit price as total price, total from order details. Now we can see that the total price is 56,500.88. We have got this from this sum function. We can also use a minimum function to find the minimum value in the column. Instead of sum, we will use the min function as minimum value, minimum price. The minimum price in the unit price column, it is 2, and we want to find out the maximum price. As we can see, the maximum price, it is 263.5. We used the maximum function. Now we want to find the average price. As we can see, the average price of this unit price, it is 26.21, and we want also find out the total number of rows in this order details table. We will use the count function. Count as total rows. We can see that there are 2,155 rows in this unit price column, in this order details column. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.